Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's card features the Party Puffins stamp set, which is in the annual catalogue. You'll find it on page 55. I'm using a piece of Blushing Bride for this card and some vellum embossed already for the front there. So you need a piece of Blushing Bride cut in half, a piece of white for the inside. There's the stamping for the inside. Now I ran this vellum through the gingham embossing folder. Comes out really cute. And we're going to cut a piece of basic white for the circle. I'm using the the stylish shape dies for that one. Just bring in the stamping, my mini stamping cut and emboss machine. For that one. These dies are great. If you haven't already checked them out, I have put a link in the description bar below. They're all stitched and they're fabulous. Right, let's ink up the stamp. Oops. I do find I have to get quite a bit of ink on this one so that it's really a solid stamped image. There you go. Perfect. See, he just fits on that. That's the second largest of those circle dies, by the way. And a little fish. He's so cute. I'm going to do a little bit of colouring with the blends as well. Let's carry on with our stamping and do the inside stamping using Blushing Bride. I'm just going to stamp those candles across the bottom. Just random. More there. Perfect. That away, and then the sentiment, and I'm using Orchid Oasis. Now that's one of the new colours this year for Stampin' Up. It'll be around for a couple of years. I've gone ahead already and cut out the banner image for this one. You can obviously stamp then cut whatever. That's what I normally do, but today I decided to be brave and cut first. There you go. Isn't that great? I love that Orchid Oasis colour. I haven't used it enough. So with our blends, we're going to do a little bit of colouring. Nothing too much, but we're using two of the new in colours. So this is Parakeet Party and Sweet Sorbet. Let's go with dark Sweet Sorbet for the little top. Go right in here. I'm going to use my light one to do these. I'm going to bring in the light Parakeet Party just to colour in the hat. This is Daffodil Delight for Daffodil Delight. No, it's dark, so saffron. Apologies. I think I used Daffodil Delight in my original, but I decided to change it up a little bit. And we're going to do the little fishy in the same colour. Dark Parakeet Party again. Yeah. And so saffron again here. You could use Daffodil Delight. You can use any colour you want. I just decided I wanted, this is the Sweet Sorbet again. I just wanted to go with the brights. Let's blend that out a little bit. There we go. That's all the stamping done. Actually, I have got my Daffodil Delight here. I forgot, so I had it hidden away. I might just go over that beak. I'm going over that so saffron with the Daffodil Delight, and I'll leave the little fish in the lighter colour. There we go. Happy with that. This is the Sweet Sorbet metallic woven ribbon. It's a great ribbon. So let's just put up, I'm going to make a easy bow on the back of this. I'm just bringing in my tear and tape. If I can find the end of it, that'll be a good thing. And just find this is a kind of a cheats way of making the ribbon of the bow. Sometimes it's a little bit of a struggle to do a bow. So I put a little bit of tear and tape on the back. That will secure this down. Just going to have one tail coming out, and fold that over to make one side of the bow. And then again down here, fold it again. Whoops. Again, she says, because it's so easy to do. And then another tail. So it just depends which way the bow. Oh, I've got that going completely wrong. Let's start that again, shall we? So and again down here. Go, and then I haven't made a real good example of that, have I? But basically I put a piece of tear and tape on the back to secure this down, and then my bow is meant to look a lot better than that. It does not look good. It does not look good at all. Oh my gosh. You know what? We're going to get this right. So a little bit of a tail coming through there. Circle. That one. And then going down here. I hope you haven't switched off the video yet. I promise it'll get better. Here we go. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. Right, let's just leave that to one side because I don't want to make any more mistakes. All right, start putting the card together. Now you can use the vellum. You can use your tear and tape on here because it doesn't actually show. But I'm just going to put a little bit on, just on the edges. And dimensionals on the back of our bow. I didn't make a real good job of showing you how easy it was, but it is easy. So cut those tails off in a minute. So just position that where you want it on the card. That'll do. I got it a bit floofy, but it's okay. dimensional on only on one end of this, and then a little bit of tape here. Whoops. Got the dimensional on the wrong end. It goes there. So despite not being able to do the bow, it's actually a really easy card to put together. These are the pastel pearls, so let's put a couple of those on. I'll go with the paler colour, I think. Combination of the Orchid Oasis colour and the Blushing Bride together. I think they look really good. Inside, put our inside piece in. And ta-da! Nearly done. Here you have it. Easy card. Bit of a big bow on that one, smaller bow on that one, but anyway, a little bit of bright birthday card there using the Party Puffin stamp set. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary, MERRY @gmail.com. Thank you and have a great day.